So I don't know that I was necessarily surprised that the Fed raised as high as they did. I expected them to raise, but I kind of took Powell at his word that he wants to kill inflation,
Yeah.
and I think that he's willing to make markets suffer in order to do that. So a lot with regards to liquidity, I think liquidity. I think we're probably going to have a liquidity event sometime in the next 6 months.
Yeah.
What I mean by that is I think liquidity will dry up. A lot of the effects of the rate hikes, a lot of people forget this. The first rate hike was only 9 months ago.
Yeah. Right.
It was in March. And so a lot of times rate hikes take 9 months, a year, 18 months to actually show up in the economy. And now they've raised, 5 times or 4.5%, 4.5%. And so my guess is that, by February, March, April, I think late Q1, early Q2, I think definitely nothing's definite. Certainly it's, in the first half of the year, I think that we will have some kind of a liquidity event, whether it's a result of some central bank overseas or whether it's something to do with, a company like, in the real estate market here in the US, or, BlackRock had to shut down redemptions out of their fund. I don't really know where it comes from. It typically starts in the euro dollar market, so I think it'll probably start overseas, but I think the whole world will experience some kind of a dollar liquidity shock. So yes, long story short, I think the dollar is going to go a lot higher. I mean, that hasn't changed.
Yeah.
That's the thing. Nothing has changed, other than price trajectory, right? Like when the dollar was at 104 and going to 105 and 106, everybody thought that it wasn't going to go higher, and then it goes to 114. And everybody's like, holy cow, now it's going to 150, and now it goes to 103, and now everybody's like, it can't possibly go higher, it's going lower again. Well, nothing has really changed. All of the mechanics and all of the structure of the system that led me to believe it's going, above 110, nothing's changed. It's still there. So it's just a matter of timing. And I think as the Fed continues to drain liquidity, then dollar will go higher.
Yep, makes a ton of sense. And I just want to let you guys know, if you're here in Rebel Capitalist Pro paying attention, you'll know about it when it comes. It's guys like Brent are talking. Well, they'll be talking about it. So just stay tuned.